Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we bring you TikTok's viral pesto eggs. To get started, add oil to a hot pan and add in mushrooms. Add in ham or protein of your choice. In a separate container, beat 3 eggs. To the same pan we used earlier, remove your ingredients and add in 2 tablespoons of your favorite pesto. Now add in your egg mixture. Cook on low heat. Now add in cheese of your choice. Now sprinkle in your mushroom and ham. Add in sliced tomatoes. Now fold your egg over. Don't worry if it tears, some of your egg should still be runny and can cover the broken pieces. This omelette version is quick, easy, and simple, but stay tuned for the original recipe. This other method is my preferred version, and is currently going viral all over TikTok. Same as before, add pesto to a warm pan. Now add in 2 eggs, sunny side up. This step is optional, but you can add ground black pepper. Now grate in Parmesan cheese. Both ways are delicious and simple, and something new to add to your typical breakfast routine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.